this couldn't happen again. This is that one.
Some weird block of stuff. Vanilla. One day my friend and I decided to make cookies and it was a lot of fun. It was actually our first time making cookies ever in our lives. We added some plums to the cookies and the plums were super hard to cut. But in the end I succeeded. The mixing was so much fun. Actually, my friend did most of the work because I have no idea how to cook or bake or do any adult stuff. But hey, that's fine. I still have time to grow up and yeah. Attract his attention. It's not really working. I smelled it then. Vanilla. Did you know that actually cookies, when you make the dough, they don't have to be flat, they're actually balls. Like, I never knew that, but this time I found out and it was so mind-blowing for me because I always thought that cookies, when you make cookies, the things were pre-flattened, but apparently not. We eventually finished making 2 whole batches of cookies and we put it into bake. And actually we kind of overbaked it because we thought that cookies had to be hard the moment they come out of the oven, but apparently they're supposed to be soft. But in the end, the cookies actually turned out quite well and they were absolutely delicious. We also had our millennial moments of taking pictures of the cookies and posting them on Instagram or messaging it to people, but yeah, that's an essential part of life. Not on film, not on film,